Ayan. So nakita natin no na you have K Street, meron ka ding sa bahay and commissary. Hindi siya biro, lalo nagsusupply kayo sa iba't ibang branches. Paano mo siya minamanage? Hindi siya madali trabaho.
To be honest, siguro nung una, to be honest, hindi siya madali. But along the way, as long as na number one, nabubuo namin yung team na kailangan talaga namin. Kasi doon talaga kami hindi nagtipid in terms of manpower. Meron kaming team each department na nagmamanage ng mga departments na yon for us. Number two, since nga we have delegated roles delegated departments, each partner is mas gumagaan din yung trabaho. And lastly is, to be honest, there's no time management na sinasabi ng iba. No, there's no time management. It's only choices at the end of the day kung ano ba talaga. Ito kasi yung favorite part ko I only do 3 important things daily. Whenever it is, kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin na 3 bagay, yun lang. Hindi ko ino-overcomplicate na kailangan mong tumapos ng 10 gawain
Trabaho.
or 10, kailangan ko tapusin tong 10 listahan ngayong araw. No. Even the 3 things, kung ano yung pinaka-important para sa akin na may small effort but big impact on my business, yun yung bagay na gagawin ko.
Okay.